Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology. This is the Daily Rant. And today on the Daily Rant, Microsoft, 50 years. And it is incapable of explaining why you should move on to Windows 11 and convince you to do so. And a blog post, of course, that I talked about, it actually talks about things that already exist in Windows 10. So why would you want to move to Windows 11? You know, they talk about it as if it's almost exclusive to Windows 11 when it really isn't. Also, the Windows 11 is more secure than Windows 10, and Windows 10 is more secure than Windows 7. And yeah, there are a few things that maybe, but overall, it's pretty much all the same thing. As long as you had the security updates and everything, you know what? I don't see much more security in 11 than 10. And this is kind of a broken record that's playing all the time. And it's a broken record because Microsoft, I think, has simply understood that it's got this thing called Windows that, still racks in a lot of money. But it's partly a losing battle because what's happening is that Microsoft isn't getting bigger and richer because of Windows. It is because of newer technologies, cloud computing, and AI. This is what's pushing Microsoft ahead in the future. Because if it had kept just being with Windows, you know what? It would be like other companies that are dying right now. Some in the past, like IBM, that kind of is, a former, I would say it's like a pale, shading of itself or something. Intel doesn't know where to position itself. It doesn't understand that, you got to position yourself with those newer technologies. It once was hand in hand with Microsoft, and that worked for a while. But Microsoft understood one thing, is that we got to move on with something new. And that's what's making it successful. But they're keeping Windows with, just their vision, or whoever is the head of Windows with the vision that it's got right now. It's kind of ridiculous. And maybe it's time for a change, because Windows is still going to be here in 10 years. But for Microsoft, it's probably less and less interesting. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.